This is about a drive-thru Christmas light show at Red Rock Amphitheater near Denver. I'm here with my younger brother Bryan. The backseat, his wife Gina, and up front there's also their dog Benji.
Say hi, Benji.
So when traffic gets moving, we'll.
Benji says, "Say what?"
When traffic gets moving, we'll see the lights. Christmas in color. Yeah, recording. Very spectacular show. So much dazzling lights. Just very incredible. I've never seen anything like this. There's more to see. Like a tunnel, it appears to be. Lights surrounding the vehicles they pass through. So much to see. Quite an experience to see here. Passing through a hoop tunnel. Here we have a large screen display. Dancing elves and dancing Santas. On the distance there you can see more lights to this display. We'll zoom in to see it better. So much to see. Yeah, you can believe this is a real experience, not imaginary at all. Here's a wide angle display, displaying what looks like fish on it. Here's a really interesting tunnel going through with lights flashing in dazzling fashion. We'll pause until the traffic moves. We're passing through this light tunnel. Pretty cool what we're seeing. Looks like Benji there has enjoyed the show too.
Can you hear it outside?
You're passing another tunnel, but it looks like wagon wheels flashing in dazzling colors.
I think they're lollipops.
Oh, lollipops, okay.
That's my guess.
In that background, you can see a large sign display.
Stopped?
I want to see another widescreen display. In that background, you look like a singing light bulbs. We're now passing through another tunnel. So cool to see this.
Did you stop recording?
Oh, I'm still recording. See everything else on the side there. jingle bells on that one side.
We just lost the station.
Now we're approaching another tunnel with flashing or shooting stars. Dazzling shooting stars. So much to see, you just can't. Hard to take your eyes off of things. Moving along. Moving along. Looks like Benji sure is.
Just
Well, the amazing
I
lights.
don't know what he can see.
Keeps his attention out the window.
Swirling toward the gumdrops. And then we went to the winking tunnel.
Singing Christmas light bulbs. We're passing through a double-sided array of Christmas trees with dazzling lights on them. Up ahead, more LED signs. Thank you. I guess it's probably near the end of the show. We're about to exit. Okay, now we're approaching the exit, so we'll be leaving. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we, all three of us, or should I say all four of us, the dog of course, enjoyed it well. So happy holidays, and thanks for watching.